Good morning, SES family. This is Chef Bobby coming at you again from his home with my assistant,
Jude, 7 years old, 4 feet 10, originally from MD.
All right, today we're going to continue with our mug cakes, and because it's fall, Starbucks has pumpkin spice
And such.
Dunkin' Donuts has pumpkin spice, and we now have pumpkin spice muffins and all kinds of stuff. We are going to make pumpkin spice pecan mug cakes. Now the pecans are optional. You don't have to put pecans in if you don't like pecans or any kind of nuts. But we're going to top ours. Ours are going to be caramel pumpkin spice pecan cakes.
You put in pecan in that?
Yes, you're going to put pecan in it. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to need for our mug cake recipes is self-rising flour. As I told you guys before, I don't keep self-rising flour. It's not closed. Don't shake it up because it's not closed. I don't keep self-rising flour, so I make it when I need to use it. And it's a cup of flour, regular all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. You throw all that in a Ziploc bag and you shake it and mix it all up real good, and boom, you got self-rising flour.
It's always open.
Oh, it's broke?
Yeah.
Oh, how about that? Let's get a new bag.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
What?
I was gonna say.
Oh, no. We'll just do it later. It's okay. We don't have to leave them. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our quarter cup of pumpkin.
I done.
Okay? We're going to take our quarter cup of pumpkin. We're going to put it in our bowl.
I done.
You can use the whisk to get it out if you need to. Here, go like this with the whisk. Hold it upright.
there we
Oh,
go.
you got most of it out.
I don't want to see it.
And this is just regular canned pumpkin. Nothing fancy. Make sure when you're doing this recipe, they have two types of canned pumpkin. One is a pumpkin pie mix, where you just throw an egg in, put it in a crust, and it's good to go. This is just the pureed pumpkin, and that's what you want. So we're going to add an egg to our pumpkin.
These are the extra large.
Extra large eggs. And remember, don't do what I just did. Crack your egg into something different than what you're going to be mixing in so you don't get any eggshells. Go ahead.
Get some eggshells.
Whip it up. No, there's no eggshells in there. Make sure you pop the yolk. There you go. Now mix it up real good.
Is it supposed to be that color?
Yeah. Just lightening up the orange a little bit because of the egg in there.
Because yellow makes everything brighter.
Yeah. We're going to get it on the sides, get it all mixed up. All right. So now we need to add our milk, sugar, vanilla.
Can I dump it all out?
You can dump it all in. So we need 2 tablespoons of milk. Remember, over the bowl.
A little bit more of milk what we were supposed to do.
Oh, I missed. Ooh!
A little bit too much
A
milk.
little too much milk. All right.
Milk makes everything.
So we need a quarter
Sweeter.
teaspoon of vanilla. It's itty bitty tiny in.
Okay. Don't do it. Oh, a little bit more.
That's all right. A little extra vanilla never hurt anybody.
Yeah.
Okay.
But a little more milk, I don't know.
Yeah. All right. So now we're going to do a quarter cup of brown sugar.
Ooh, let me.
You show them what the quarter is.
How many again?
It's 1/4.
Oh, like how many of these?
One of those. And guys, remember when you're doing your brown sugar, it has to be packed. You want to pack it in like a sandcastle. Get a whole bunch of it, Jude. You gotta scoop it up first, and then you're gonna pack it down. Good job, man. All right.
It actually just went in like a sandcastle.
Yeah, just like you think. So now we're gonna mix this all up.
I want to mix.
You wanna mix? You can mix.
Okay. I wish we had the mixer that made it loud.
Well, we don't need that because we're not cooking a whole cake. We're just cooking a little bit.
What if we actually
Okay.
make a cake?
So now we're going to add... We could make a cake. We made other cakes. We could do another one at some point. Stop playing milk.
My hands are dirty.
We're going to do our flour, our pumpkin pie spice, and just a pinch of salt. So let's go ahead.
Can I do the pinch?
Yeah.
Nice.
We are going to add 7 tablespoons.
Can I do it? Can I level? Do we have to level it all?
Yes, we need to level it out. 7 tablespoons. That's good.
No, it has to be full, right?
Yeah. 1. Two, you're getting really good.
It's just because of practice.
Yeah.
Practice makes the perfect.
That's right.
I'm doing it like the brown sugar.
3. Yeah, you're packing it in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like that.
What number was that?
Oh, 4.
4. Okay. Oh, it's all right here.
Should we redo 4? Because I didn't get most of it in there.
It's all right. We got it.
5. 6.
How do we get flour up here on my shoulder?
6. And finally, 7.
Okay. So then we're going to add pinch of
Sea
salt.
salt.
Sea salt. Okay.
We get a little bit on the button.
We got flour everywhere. Perfect. Just a little pinch. And now we're going to add our
That's what
pumpkin pie. Yes.
That's what I do at Brooks. I feed the fish, which is a pin.
Okay, Jude says he feeds the fish with the pinch when he goes to his cousin's house.
For a sleepover.
So, you're going to put in some pumpkin pie spice. We need half a teaspoon of this. Now, if you don't have pumpkin pie spice, you can always blend some spices together. I don't know the ratio, but you can Google what you need. But I know it's cinnamon, sugar, nutmeg, allspice, and just a very tiny pinch of cloves.
So,
But I have a couple of these because I use it a lot in my kitchen. It's a lot easier to have this than it is to make up your own every time. So you can do it. We need a half a teaspoon. Can you find the half a teaspoon?
is it on these?
You gotta look. Yeah, it's written on the handle.
No, that's a quarter teaspoon. That is a tablespoon. 1 teaspoon. Quarter.
This one here.
Half a teaspoon of
Right.
joy. So level it off. Should we level it off? Maybe a bit more.
Okay. A little more. Not a whole lot.
That much?
That's fine.
A little more spice never hurt anyone.
All right. So that was a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice.
Which is joy.
Joy. Yes. We're gonna mix it up.
Me.
Your mom thinks that pumpkin spice is pure joy.
You know, it says half a teaspoon of joy.
I know. Our
Can I try?
measuring spoons have special little love phrases on them.
How about?
All right.
Done?
So now, if you don't want to do this, you don't have to. I've got some chopped pecans here. And we're going to put in 3 tablespoons of chopped pecans.
I'm gonna just mix it a little.
You can mix it while I'm tossing it.
I want to dump.
Okay. 2 more.
That's a lot of pecans. Do we have to level it out?
No.
One more.
Now you can use walnuts, you can use pecans. You don't have to use any. I don't think I would like it with pecans in it, but I'm sure my wife does. So we're going to go ahead and give her some chopped pecans in her
This
pumpkin.
is 1 tablespoon of love.
Pumpkin, yes.
we make
What do they say?
half a teaspoon of joy, 1 teaspoon of bliss, and a quarter teaspoon of cheer.
All right, so we've got our batter all mixed up.
We make it with joy and with love.
We do. We make all of our food with love.
Yes.
All right.
Woo.
So we're gonna take our olive oil cooking spray.
Can I do the other mug?
Make sure you get it in the mug, not all over the place.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. All right. And then we're just going to take and half the batter between the 2 mugs.
Can I do the other one?
Here, take the whisk. You got the whisk. And turn it to the side a little bit so you can see what we're doing. Just using the whisk. Oh, we need to take some. Let's put some over here. All we're doing is using the whisk to get out all the batter.
More.
Then make it a big old mess.
Yeah.
All right.
There isn't any more.
No. What we're gonna do is we're gonna dump. This one's got a little more than that one in there.
I think that's good.
Okay. So then you're gonna microwave these for 1.5 minutes.
Can I put them in at the same time?
No, we're gonna put one in at a time.
I'll be right back.
Just take all this.
How long?
1.5 minutes. So hit the one at 30 seconds.
How do I? Can I dance?
Yeah.
Please.
Alright. So we made some earlier and they've been cooling. This one's
Yes.
already taken out. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you guys how I'm going to decorate it. Okay? So we're going to take and we're just going to put, let me sit down. We're switching seats for now?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just going to take some whipped cream that I have here.
Can I put the chocolate syrup on first?
And we're just going to hit it with some whipped cream on top.
Now the chocolate syrup.
And this is caramel syrup.
Can I do it?
Oh, and all we're going to do is we're going to hold it up here, Jude, and just shake the bottle. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's enough.
I put some extra caramel sauce on it.
Isn't that pretty, guys?
Can I use the whip?
Caramel, pumpkin, pecan, spice cake.
Yeah.
Okay?
Can we? Can I use the other one for what?
Yeah, we'll do that when we're done. We're going to finish up our video, though.
After all, this is
Chef Bobby.
and his assistant Jude, 7 years old, 4'10", originally from Pecan.
Just hit me in the head. All right, guys. Thank you. We'll see you next time.
Bye. I can't reach.